Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system so commands actually work. Open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell now because you need administrative rights to change update components. Once done, stop the Windows update-related services, WUAServe, bits, and crypts, so files aren't in use and you can safely reset. Make sure your network is stable, preferably wired, and that you're signed into an admin account. This prevents permission errors and allows the next steps to fully refresh the update state. Now you reset the update components to remove corruption. Once services are stopped, rename Software Distribution and Catroot 2 to Software Distribution. Old and Catroot 2. Old to force a fresh rebuild. Next, re-register crucial update DLLs with regs432 so the system can call them properly. After that, run sfc/scano to repair system files, and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the Windows image. These steps rebuild caches and fix underlying file issues that typically block new updates. Finish by restarting the stopped services and rebooting the PC. This allows rebuilt folders and repaired files to load. Once the system restarts, go to Settings and force a check for updates. If the issue is cache or component corruption, updates should appear. If not, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter and scan Windows Update. Log for error codes to target fixes. If you must edit the registry or perform deeper repairs, create a restore point first. That one precaution prevents permanent harm if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.